How to turn off Auto Enhance on iPhone photos. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then scroll down until you find and tap on Photos. In the Photo settings, scroll to find the HDR section and turn off the switch for View Full HDR. This prevents your display from automatically adjusting brightness for photos. Go back to the main settings menu to check your camera's capture settings and tap on Camera as shown. In the camera settings, scroll down to the photo capture section and tap on Photographic Styles. Photographic styles apply a look to your photos. To avoid enhancement, make sure Standard is selected, as it's the default balance style. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Auto Enhance on an iPhone.